I see real estate in Southern California specifically always being a pretty good place. Though the market may take a couple of ups and downs, may slow down a little bit in the next 2 years, it's always a good place to put your money. It's always a good place to get rid of your rent and turn it into a mortgage. And it's always a good time if you want to become a possible landlord or investor. Southern California, LA specifically, is generally always a place to put your money away.
Where do I see real estate in the next 5 years? That's a good question. If you look around, real estate's doing something. It's going up, it's going down. How does that affect you? Well, the adage is, you don't wait to buy real estate. You buy real estate and wait. If you're looking to use real estate as a long-term investment, no matter when you buy, long-term, typically, you're going to come out on top. You're going to win.
So this is great, and the start of telling people how to think about becoming financially free. Their very basic information that they need to do. This particular organization is doing it, and it's great.
Property taxes are due typically twice a year. Instead of you having to come with that big chunk of money every 6 months, lenders actually prefer that you fund it in an impound account, and then on a monthly basis, they put that into payment so it pays off. It benefits the lender because they know that the property tax you're going to pay for. It benefits you because you don't have to pay that big chunk of money every 6 months.
In the next 5 years, I think real estate is a good investment. I think that it's a nice way to own a home as part of the growth, to be able to live in an environment and be able to grow your investment. So I do think that real estate right now is a good place to invest money.
Today's event, I thought it was extremely well put together. I thought the presentation was well organized. I thought the information was very timely. We're in a shifting market. I learned some things after 38 years with the attorneys and the other people. The speakers that were here were very well versed in what they do. And it was a really good learning opportunity for anyone who starting off or has been doing it for a while.
This is definitely a very essential workshop, and I'm really glad that we woke up early on a Saturday morning and cared.
With the presentation today, my key message to people that attended, 3 things. One is if you have assets that value $150,000 or more, you need a trust. Otherwise, those assets are going to go through probate at your passing. 2, everyone who's 18 years and older needs a power of attorney for finances, so that if anything happens to them and they're not able to manage their financial affairs, the agent that they name can manage it for them. And then 3, everyone who's 18 and older needs an advanced healthcare directive. And for the same reason, if you're incapacitated, you need someone to basically step in and talk with the doctors and let them know what your wishes were as far as treatment and everything. So those are my 3 messages that everyone, I hope, took with them.